Experience the enchantment of sublime sunset views at this year-round residence nestled along 40 feet of pristine lake frontage, a hidden gem in the vibrant resort area of Cold Springs, where the allure of sandy beaches is unparalleled and the spirit of fun, relaxation thrives. Step into a home where each corner tells a story of meticulous care and thoughtful updates. The living room welcomes you with high cathedral ceilings and tons of windows, pouring natural light inside where the sunshine wraps you in its warm embrace. Through French doors, the primary bedroom awaits, ready for you to unwind after a long day of playing at the lake. The kitchen is full of wood detailing and generous counter space and includes a gas stove that adds a touch of rustic charm, as well as a touch of warmth for colder seasons ahead. Outside, enjoy the deck or the backyard for unrestricted, picturesque views of the water peacefully flowing on a chilly morning. Warm yourself up with a hot cup of coffee and soak up the views as the sun rises on another gorgeous day at Hamilton Lake. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Call Kimberly Slusher and see why lake life is the best life.